I think I'm glad that the panelists are all practitioners, and this is really good that you're speaking from what you know. And my part, I worry sometimes when we put a lot of blame on immigrant parents and the disconnect, and then we seem to be pushing too much to Americanization somehow. Like for example, using hip hop to entertain the youth. Sometimes their actions and the things they do, even though they are Muslim, is not the best. I mean, so I think we need some balance, and for example, MENA and MSC and the youth groups, you need to monitor the kind of entertainment or the role models, because to me sometimes it looks just like the other one, but maybe with some Islamic words. So
he basically brought up the concept that there should be a balance between, we're trying to do this process of assimilation, encourage this process of assimilation, and I don't even want to call it assimilation. I don't know what the right term would be. Integration. There we go. But Minna has an event. It's an open mic. It's late night. It's open to families. It's at the Hyatt, and you can get the flyers at their booth right outside. And that event is to cater to Muslim youth specifically, but it's also for their families. And the concept is to balance like different elements of hip hop and spoken word, as well as giving them the spiritual side. For example, they're going to do for one of the speeches is the eloquence within the Quran. So they're trying to balance the two, trying to show them that while this is art, there is a greater art, and it's the Quran. And so getting them together in an environment, it's not supposed to be a major entertainment session. It's supposed to be an open mic, and I welcome all of the parents here, inshallah, to join them. The flyers are outside.